Knowi provides native analytics into ElasticSearch beyond what Kibana offers. So it allows you to do multi-index joins, join across your other SQL and NoSQL databases. It has a business user-friendly interface that you can white label and embed. And that also has other fancy things like the ability to ask questions in plain English and get answers back, machine learning, anomaly detection, and so on. Let's take a quick spin. I'm going to connect into a database, pick one of the indices here, and let's say I'm interested in a couple of these fields, and also perhaps a nested element here as well. And as I'm going through this, you can always go the generated query, the ElasticSearch query. You can modify this directly within the interface as well. And if you need to join this across multiple indices or other sources, this join source is your friend. You can also do transformations and things on the fly. The results of this is what we call a data set, and we give you a couple of options in terms of what the data strategy looks like. So it can be either live against the source, real time without any caching in between, or the results can be stored inside within Knowi, or you can also chuck the results into your own data warehouse as well, and incrementally updated and so on as well. So let's call this ES dataset 1, something like that. I have the dataset now ready, and let's put a couple of visualization on this. This is a geo visualization that suggests by default. Let's do that. So add a new dashboard. So we've got a first visualization from that Elastic data store. Let's say you want to also ask some questions on this data. For instance, I want to know the count by cuisine and borough. And you can type something like that in, count by borough, for example, and by cuisine for Indian, for instance. Based on what I'm typing it in, it will infer what I've typed in and give you the results from the underlying data itself. And let's call this, let's save this as is. So this is a brief taster of the kinds of things I know you can do scratching the surface.